Welcome to week 9. We're getting into ethics this week, and you have your first hard news story due as well. So I just wanted to go over a few things with you very quickly and then cut you loose and see how you do. The first thing that I have up here is the assignment itself. Hard news, I'm calling it Super Tuesday, and that's because I'm giving you a specific assignment to go out and cover the Democratic primary election tomorrow in southern Utah. That means going to places, some polling stations. There's polling stations, I'm sure, on campus or anywhere out. You have to do some research to find out where that is and capture that story. What does that mean, especially for the Democratic Party in southern Utah, which is back in the day was pretty tiny and probably still is. So I'm asking you to go through and do a take there, a 5-image layout of that, if you would. And then I'm having you get into some reading and watching here as we get into this idea of ethics. The NAAPA Code of Ethics is here. You need to go through and read that and understand what's going on with that, what that means. There's a good article here, The Ethics of Disaster Photojournalism, that gets into the ethics of the Boston Marathon bombing. And they talk about a specific image in this. You can click on the links. I'm sure most of them are still active, so you have an idea of what it is they're talking about. Be careful, though, because they will burn indelible images into your brain, okay? Next up, then, is photo editing and ethics. This is an essay here written by Curtis Franklin. Good idea to get into that. And, you know, what are the constraints that we get into as far as ethics and the manipulation of photographs. This is a good article as well that takes a look at a specific image having to do with an Iranian missile launch. Again, there for you to read. There's some blatant kind of Korean-esque kind of manipulation of what's going on there. And then lastly, this, the digital darkroom and photojournalistic ethics, is a video that I've cut on this as well. There's some things here that just might find their way into the midterm assessment that I have here. So you may need to make sure that you log on and take that. As I say here up on top, you can use all the material on the Canvas site, which you can find here under Pages, okay? Your notes, if you've taken any, and the Google, too, if you would like to go through and help with some kind of term clarification. So that's it. Good luck in shooting on Super Tuesday tomorrow, and see what happens. There might be some fallout with that on Wednesday. It might be something worth following up on to see what's going to happen. 2 big names dropped out of the race here within the last 2 days as well, Pete Buttigieg and I can't remember the other one. She escapes my brain at this point. Everything's escaping my brain. So that's it. If you have any questions, you know where to find me. Okay, thanks.